It was a beautiful sunny morning in the kitchen.
Oh boy, our breakfast delivery is finally here!
I am so hungry I could eat 10 burgers.
Let us open the box and see what we got.
Wait, my burger box is wiggling!
Emma carefully opened the cardboard flap.
Wow, it is a tiny baby sea turtle!
How did the sea turtle get in our breakfast?
He must have gotten lost near the delivery restaurant on the beach.
He is so cute, I will name him Donnie.
We need to remember that wild animals belong in the wild.
But he is too little to go back all by himself right now.
Can we please take care of him just for today?
Yes, but we must make a safe home for him first.
I brought this blue plastic tray for him to use. The family went to the living room to build a temporary habitat.
I will pour the soft yellow sand on this side.
And I will add fresh, clean water to the other side.
Look at Donnie swim in his little pool.
We must always keep wild animals safe when they are lost.
Here is a little rock for you to rest on, Donnie. It is almost time for you to go to school, Emma.
Will Donnie be okay here while I am gone?
He will be perfectly safe in his cozy new tray.
Emma grabbed her backpack and waved goodbye.
I will see you after school, little Donnie.
Let us leave the window open to give him some fresh air.
That is a great idea. But leaving the window open was a big mistake. A greedy seagull named Gully landed on the windowsill. Mine! Mine! Gully peered into the living room with his crazy yellow eyes.
That looks like a tasty little green snack.
Donnie got scared and crawled out of his plastic tray. Come back here, my delicious little friend! Gully flew into the living room, knocking over toy blocks.
The tiny turtle wiggled his flippers as fast as he could.
You cannot hide from Gully! Donnie crawled down the hallway looking for a hiding spot. Mine! 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 Later that afternoon, Emma and her parents came home.
I am back, little Donnie.
Uh-oh, the plastic tray is completely empty.
Oh no, where did the baby turtle go?
Donnie, where are you hiding?
Emma looked under the blue sofa but found nothing.
Wild animals belong in the wild, so we must find him and keep him safe.
I am so worried about my little green friend.
Do not cry, Emma. We will find him together.
Look at these wet, sandy footprints on the rug.
They are pointing straight toward my bedroom.
Suddenly, they heard a loud crashing noise from down the hall.
That does not sound like a baby turtle.
Let us hurry and see what is going on. The family ran into Emma's chaotic bedroom.
My room is a giant mess. There are too many places for a tiny turtle to hide in here.
There is a giant bird in your room!
He is trying to eat me, little Donnie!
Donnie was hiding under a mountain of stuffed animals. Hand over the green snack!
We have to rescue Donnie right now!
Shoo, you silly bird, go away! Dad grabbed a pink pillow to shield the baby turtle.
You leave my friend alone!
Gully flapped his huge wings and made a terrible mess. He is fighting by my glasses! The seagull snatched Dad's glasses right off his face.
I will open the window wide so the bird can fly out.
Gully dropped the glasses and flew out into the sky.
Thank goodness that greedy bird is gone.
Let us get Donnie out from under these toys.
Emma gently scooped the shaking baby turtle into her hands. We must always protect wildlife from danger.
I am sorry I left the window open, Donnie.
You were very brave today, little buddy.
It is time to take him back to his real home. The family drove down to the beautiful sandy beach.
The sunset makes the ocean look so pretty.
Emma walked to the edge of the water with Donnie.
Squeak! Squeak!
Look, there are other sea turtles swimming in the waves!
It is your family waiting for you!
We kept him safe, and now he can go home. Emma gently placed the tiny turtle on the wet sand.
I will miss you so much, Donnie.
Donnie crawled into the ocean and swam happily away.
You did a wonderful job being a helper today, man.
It is hard to say goodbye, but I know it is right. Wild animals always belong. in the wild.
I am so glad he found his real mommy and daddy.
And I am glad I got my glasses back from that bird. The family hugged as they watched the waves roll in.
We should always respect nature and do the right thing.
Did you kids have fun watching our animal rescue story?
Can you tell us what Gully the Seagull's funny catchphrase was?
Type your answer in the comments below and see you next time.